Chika Minute na po mga kapuso at makakasama natin ngayong Friday Chikahan, si Sparkle host Janina Chan. Janina.
Thank you, Miss Vicky, at good evening mga kapuso. Happy Friday Chikahan! Big guy na ba ang lahat? Hindi nagpahuli sa dance trend na yan ang ilang kapuso stars at Sparkle stars na may kanya-kanyang paandar pa sa steps. Maki Chika kay Aubrey Carampel.
With almost 14 million views sa TikTok, uwian na dahil sabi ng mga netizen, may nanalo na sa Big Guy Trend. Kasama lang naman ni ex-PBB housemate Shuvi Etrata, ang kanyang Big Guy at TDH na si Anthony Constantino. Dagdag sa kilig ang romantic vibes ng beach and sunset sa Boracay.
Actually, it was just a last-minute vacation. Shuvi had been missing the beach, so I wanted to surprise Shuvi and her sister Shaina as well to go to Boracay for the first time. Actually, we've been seeing that trend. It's been on my page so much, so it was an idea of ours to do the trend, and we hopped on it, and I really hope the people like it.
Kilig overload din ang hatid ng ex-housemates na sina AZ Martinez and her big boy Ralph De Leon. Ang real-life sweethearts na Julie Ver nag-join rin sa Big Guy Trend habang nagbabakasyon naman sa Abu Dhabi. Sina Sparkle couple Prince Clemente at Althea Ablan may entry rin. Di rin nagpahuli ang PBB Celebrity Collab Edition 2.0 evicted housemates na sina Antonio Venzon and Inigo Jose, Fred Moser, pati na si Ray Victoria. From Big Guy to Small Guy. Yan naman ang funny twist ng Your Honor tandem ni Charizo Lomon at Buboy Villar. Literal na Big Guy energy with muscle flexing pa ang entry ng ex-PBB housemate and hating kapatid star Vince Maristella. May pa-muscles din si Anthony Rosaldo. Big guy but make it cute guy. Yan naman ang feels ng TikTok entry ni Born to Shine star Michael Sager, Allen Ansay, at Prince Carlos. Napa-big guy dance rin si Jeff Moses on the way to rehearsals ng kanyang musical. Kumasa naman sa Big Guy Trend ang unang Hirit Boys, kasama ang Lakbayaw Boys. Not a big guy but hot mama. Yan naman ang atake ni House of Lies star Chris Bernal. Aubrey Carampel, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.